Have you ever had a brilliant creative idea trapped in your head, just out of reach of slow, clunky editing software? In today's AI-driven world, a groundbreaking new tool has just taken the internet by storm. It's called MindMorph, a revolutionary neural interface built to bridge the gap between human imagination and digital reality. This cutting-edge tech lets users seamlessly project their thoughts directly onto a screen, creating finished art, music, and videos instantly, far faster than any existing editing tool. Tech enthusiasts around the world are calling it the ultimate game changer for all content creators. Early testers say the device feels less like an external tool and more like a natural extension of your own mind. It turns abstract, messy ideas into crisp, high-definition finished work in just seconds, opening an entirely new era of cognitive creativity. As the digital world shifts toward immersive, personal experiences, MindMorph stands at the forefront of this evolution. It empowers every person to be a creator, no matter their existing technical skill level. The future of content creation isn't about learning complex software anymore. It's all about the power of your mind. If you're excited, please like, share, and subscribe to follow MindMorph.